Let me see what I get over here. Okay. Yeah, and come towards me a little bit.
Right here.
Okay, then stay there. Butt on the ground, knees bent. See if you can't work into that. Lower that, move it up higher, get another segment. Keep going. Yeah. That's how you get off of it. And if you get scared, because like, I don't think I can get off of this, remember, roll to the side.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome.
Thanks.
All right, so never been to a chiropractor.
Mm-hmm.
So what made you decide to try this out?
Well, so I've had this like tension in my upper like right side of my back and my neck for a while, but it's never been so bad that I haven't been able to do anything.
Okay.
But it's just like if I'm working for a long time or if I'm exercising for like a certain period of time one day and it's just like I feel it more. It's kind of like a stabbing pain.
So first what I do is I check your posture and see if I can see anything pulling there. It is quite shifted on that shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, and you have broad shoulders. You know, your shoulders are broad. I have broad shoulders. You know, some women have more narrow shoulders. You have broad shoulders. What that does is when you're going to sleep at night, it makes it difficult to find a pillow that can fit all of that space.
Mm-hmm.
When we go on our sides, we tend to slump into it because there's not a big enough pillow to kind of separate our head from the shoulder.
Yeah.
From the bed.
Yeah.
As we sleep, we tend to,
Yeah.
you know. Do you mind? I'm going to feel down your back, okay?
Yeah.
Well, I feel it.
Like a knot?
Yeah. Yeah. So what you have is a lateral curvature here, I'm fairly certain.
No.
Versus this. You really, I don't know if you can tell, you really go this way very easily.
Uh-huh.
And then when I try to take you this way, it gets a little stuck right here. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Well, I feel it. It's not I think what's happened, you can relax. I think it's a couple of ribs heads that are separated. They're not like come off. They've just been strained.
Mm-hmm.
We call it a strain sprain. So the ligaments have been kind of like pulled apart like that. That's what it feels like from my point of view.
Uh-huh.
I think this should help you.
Okay.
This should help you. That's an easy fix.
Cool.
I'll get a better look at it when you're face down too. So we're gonna clip a mic to you. It just kind of picks up the fine noises. Clip it here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna feel. Anything really sore? I see you spasming.
Yeah. I can feel it.
Yeah. It's not sharp.
I can feel it, yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna push it back in. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in. Now on the exhale, let all the air out of your lungs. Let it all out. All right. Breathe. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. All right. There you go. You okay?
Yeah.
And again. Okay. Breathe. All right. I'm coming in again, okay? Take a deep breath in. Okay. You okay? You surviving?
Yeah.
I bet you didn't know you had all those in there.
No.
Here we go. I'm going to get the rough one again. Last one. Let it all out. There they go. Okay. Got him. You did it. Yeah, that goes down your whole back, huh?
Yeah.
Is it uncomfortable?
Not like, it's not like painful as much as like.
Just weird, ticklish?
Yeah, like ticklish.
Because every time I touch you, your body does a wave. Okay, I'm going to be down here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pull the skin. Just pull. These are more intense, okay? Got it. You all right?
So like even if I don't like hear a crack, it's still like.
You didn't hear those?
Or I heard like most of them.
Those were some loud cracks. I don't know about you, but that was pretty loud. That's as loud as it gets. You don't go any louder than that. I'm sorry. I'm gonna see if you can handle anything here. Okay. If you can't, then I'm gonna move on.
Mm-hmm.
But you still have some residual scar tissue here that I would like to flatten out for you. Okay.
Yeah.
Is this okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna push on them.
Okay.
Is that too much?
No, it's good.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go a little quickly, warm up the area. Move that out of the way. There we go. We'll get some blood in there, okay? Get some healing in there. That's it. Deep breath in again. I'm gonna collect them all down. Here we go. And out. All right, that's about as deep as I go. Doing okay?
Yeah.
She's never had a massage, never had an adjustment, so it's this is all brand new. It's all brand new. Having your tissues manipulated like this is no easy thing, okay? It takes some mental, like, gymnastics. Like, what do I have to do?
Yeah.
Why are my tissues moving around? So I get it.
It's like I feel it, but.
It's a strange thing. It's all normal. As long as it's not painful, you're okay. All weird sensations, all weird, like, yeah, you're going to feel me push at this muscle here.
Mm-hmm. It's just like been so tense for so long that it just.
Yeah, you got to learn to let it go. It's a rough one. Okay, here we go with the scraping, okay? I'm going to take a metal edge like this, and I'm going to go down. I'm just scraping the skin like that. You're bruising already, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you feel those knots in there?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's like little grit, like sandpaper. We want to smooth those out. Like I said, you've done all the deep work. We're just going to do this on the surface now, okay? Doing okay?
Yeah.
Let me see what I get over here. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
What does the bruising mean?
Congestion. It's congested. Swelling, edema
So this is like bringing it
to the surface.
and then like out.
And then, yeah, your body will come in with its skin. The skin has natural white blood cells that live in there that will come in and eat this up.
Mm-hmm.
The muscle, not so much. Okay, so we want to bring that out into the skin. Let the skin deal with it. The skin's is your biggest line of defense. It's got lots of stuff in there. Okay,
Yeah.
muscles are deeper. They're not used to being exposed to the elements. It doesn't have the same kind of immunity, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You need to bring that out into the skin. Your muscles will feel better. Your skin's like,
Yeah.
but trust me, the skin has a rapid repair rate. And I'm not breaking it. I'm not breaking the skin.
Mm-hmm.
I'm leaving it all intact. 7 days, this will all be gone. In 48 hours, you should feel really good.
Really?
Yeah. And you're going to feel a little sore tomorrow, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And maybe the second day as well.
Okay.
But by 48 hours, it should be feeling pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to like almost have forgotten about this, that you even have this.
Yeah.
That means I did my job, okay? Tuck your chin to your chest. I'm going to do your neck just a little bit. It is pulling up into here. okay?
Yeah. Is the bruising a lot?
Yeah, we're gonna show you, okay? Don't you worry. We're gonna show you everything. What's going on with your poor little back? Perfect. Take a deep breath in. And here we go, under the scapula, under the shoulder blades. This is part of it. There it goes. Yep, you're done. You did it. I know, I'm sorry. But they're glued. They're glued to your ribs. We gotta get them, okay? And here we go. We need a little bit more oil. Armpit, okay, a little ticklish. But you got these little knots here.
Mm-hmm.
Great, okay, down. I'm gonna kind of relax the neck a little bit, okay? Is that all right?
Yeah.
There you go.
That feels good.
Yeah, that's it. There she is. Okay. Now, you have to keep in mind
Yeah.
the pink goes away in 30 minutes.
Uh-huh.
It's the dark purple that takes a little while. Here you go.
Oh my gosh, it did that?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It really came out
Oh
of you.
wow. So, but that's good.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, that was all trapped in there.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It
It should feel better. It should feel better. Give it 48 hours. But it should already, come on up and see how it feels.
Oh, it feels way
It's
looser.
like looser.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just been stuck.
Uh-huh.
Like,
Is it? Do I look normal?
oh yeah. Oh
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah. If you want, we can do the neck. It's up to you.
Would that be beneficial?
Of course.
Yeah.
Like, the way I work is I do, like, the whole body.
Yeah, let's do it.
This way, and then chin up. Yeah. We're gonna go right here.
Oh wow.
You okay?
Yeah.
It was a big one.
Mm-hmm.
There they go. Nice.
Nice.
There you go. Your knees. What happened to you?
I was rollerblading and I fell.
Recently, or is that?
This was like a very long time ago. It's just the scars haven't gone away. This was like probably a year ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure.
I'm gonna pull you down. Oh wow, your ankle is stuck. Hold on. You're okay. You're fine. There we go. Jeez. Okay.
What is that?
I just can't get your ankle to move. Hold on. See how that one moves? And then this one. Oh, there it goes.
I did it. Okay.
It did it. Again, I can't force anything. It all is you doing it. You know?
Yeah.
All right, on your side facing me. Yes. We call this one the pretzel one. Bottom leg stays straight. Top leg is bent.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm gonna have you get this. Perfect. My hand goes here and here.
Okay.
I want you to look back. That shortens the spine. Perfect. I'm gonna adjust down here. Got you. You're not gonna fall. Got your whole body.
Oh wow.
That was very nice. Other side. I've got you. Dear Lord. All right. Come on up. See how it feels. Come on up. Okay.
Oh, nice. It feels good.
Oh, I like that.
I was walking around like that for so.
Relax here. Relax here. Now elbow back. Hold on. Yep. Push here. Push here. There. There, you got it. Elbow. No, elbow's great. Gonna do the wrist. Lean away. There they go. A little stuck there. Perfect. You're a little weak over here, yeah. It's into this shoulder, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try, only because it helps. Look up, like look back. Look back. Sometimes that helps. Now elbow back and towards mine. There it is. Okay. Excellent. And lean away. Hold on. Lean away. There they go. Whee! They're a bunch of pebbles, so you gotta like roll them.
Interesting.
Lean away, your whole body. Lean, lean, lean. That's the ear.
Oh. Yeah,
It's not the most pleasant, but if it's stuck, no, it's not stuck on that side. And lean away again. More. Yeah, it's all you. I can't do anything that you don't want. Your ear will not come off, I promise. Nothing. There's nothing there. Cool. Yeah, and come towards me a little bit. Here. Okay, then stay there. Butt on the ground, knees bent. See if you can't work into that. To lower that, move it up higher, get another segment. You understand? Spend 2 minutes there.
Okay.
Off of it that way. Just keep going. Yeah.
Like
That's how you get off of it. And if you get scared, like, I don't think I can get off of this, remember, roll to the side.
Mm-hmm.
You're not going to hurt it.
Okay.
I think you're going to be okay. How does it feel?
It feels good. I think what I feel right now is like the bruising.
Oh!
Yeah.
This here?
Yeah.
You might.
But everything else feels great.
Let me see. Yeah, it's going to feel a little raw.
Okay.
Okay, so
yeah.
if you want that gone, take an Epsom salt bath tonight if you can.
Uh-huh.
If you want that to, it'll feel like nothing when you're done.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
It's just the blood puckering it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I know, I got like,
Oh, you didn't coming?
I was like, Epsom salt bath! I was like, ooh!
She smelled like Epsom salts for like a day.
I was like, ah!